right, so right now, tonight, I'm with Aaron Kaffen, who is the VP of Marketing for Bigleaf Networks. And what I find interesting about Bigleaf is that you guys are one of the leaders in SD-WAN, and that's changing the world for the average customer, especially those that are trying to put things over their net that is tricky, like UCaaS or CPaaS or those kind of things. So you want to talk a little bit about Bigleaf and what you guys do?
Yeah, absolutely. So Bigleaf is an SD-WAN platform that's designed specifically for the needs of customers like MSPs run into, smaller businesses or distributed businesses. We help companies that are using cloud-based technologies like VoIP or Office 365 to create a more performant and reliable connection to those cloud technologies over commodity broadband internet. So we let them leverage up to 4 different ISP connections. We automatically detect the performance of those connections, automatically detect all of the traffic going in and out of the customer's premise. We just make sure that the right traffic is going over the right circuit and is prioritized appropriately, so that your VoIP calls always stay nice and clear and your web apps always stay nice and snappy.
Awesome. Talk about failover, because that's a big deal.
Yeah, so failover is a big deal. As everyone who relies on the internet knows, internet performance and reliability is always an issue. So what we do specifically for failover, we're a single IP solution. So we're providing the customer with our own IP address block. And that means that we can move their traffic seamlessly between those 4 different connections or 2 different connections, whatever they have, without changing the IP address. This is critical for technologies like VoIP, where it's IP dependent. So we can move a VoIP call between 1 or more circuits as conditions change without dropping or impacting the call.
Yeah, that's a big game changer, because we've always been looking for that perfect failover, and you guys have stepped in and provided not only just trackable, like what's happening on that net. Instead, you're also providing a way for, if that network goes down, for that business to still take calls in various other ways, specifically cellular failover and those kinds of things. But you're managing that whole network in a way that gives people confidence that they can have 5 nines, which is the holy grail. So thank you for doing what you guys do.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, well, what is it that you're really looking forward to seeing in this show? I mean, here we are, the first night of the show. What did you come for? What are you looking for?
Yeah, I mean, we're looking to connect with MSPs and other solution providers in the ecosystem who are seeing this challenge. There's sort of a preconceived notion about SD-WAN that it's this big, complicated technology that MSPs can't deploy to their customers because of the cost or the time required to put it out there. We want to talk to the people that are having challenges with VoIP reliability, having challenges with Office 365, help them see how Bigleaf can improve their customers' experience and help them grow their business.
It's so great. Well, thank you for taking some time this evening.
Absolutely. Thank you.